Hello, this is Sophie Lawson from sophielawson.boing, and this is a quick look video where we quickly look at various art books and magazines. And this one we're looking at issue number 99 of the ImagineFX magazine for September 2013. It says, I get into character with it, try to place myself in the gamer's head and tap into the fantasy. Well, I love the character here. I think I would have put a mask on her. Yeah, I think I would have pulled her visor down. But what I like here is the sort of sense of depth, I suppose it is. Something like that. I like these lines here, look. I think they look cool. Little Freddy's with us, Freddy the Fox. And we've also got the DVD, which looks, I like the colours of that. I think it looks cool. But we're going to look at the DVD later. Look at the DVD for next. The one we look at that, look. Cool hair. That's next week's. But this one here, what do I think of the cover? It isn't my favourite. That's still my favourite one. Issue number 95. Yeah, I think this is probably in the middle somewhere. But Aleksi got a little claw. She's got a hand and a claw. Like those little claws you get in the toy machine where it goes. Well, you have like a little Freddy there and it goes. You go. And then you pull it, and what always happens is it always goes like when it gets to the top. They've actually got those in the video game Yakuza. Is Claire back with us? Aww, where's Claire? We've still got Ian, look. Ian Dean, the magic bean. What's going on here? Oh, I like this one. This is I'm looking forward to the sketchbook. I can't remember what they said this was a special of. I can't remember. I like that, look. Underwater skyscrapers. That would be us in about 1,000 years, I think. Look at these little creatures. It's like flying fish or something. I like that blue on the back of that blue. Looks quite sexy. Look, they've pulled that out of there, I think. Cool. Yeah, I like that. Little dinosaurs, look. Oh yeah. I love these. Yeah, that's cool. Look at this one. Oh, these are brilliant. Andy White. Andy White. Cool they are. Like the Digital Artist Survival Guide. Survival, more than just a pretty face. Hey look, it's all about models. That'd be quite cool. He's going to eat him. Like whole. He won't even have to bite, he'll eat him whole, I think. Rise of the Titans. This is the artist. This is Clint. Clearly. Look at all the books, look. What's he's got over here? Skeletons. I've been toying with the idea of doing that in my. I've been thinking, do I want to get a wall? I could get a wall in my room filled with images, but I don't know whether I like it or not. I don't know whether it's better to have like one image in the centre of the room or loads of them. Like that. Letters. Bobby Chi. Artist Q&A. I like that. Fishy. Oh, that's interesting. Look, they put the scales onto a sphere. Monkey. Monkey. Aged. Fresh. How do edges and sharpness affect the look of the face? 20 years of Magic the Gathering, look. Cool as that. I love the, I love that. Pretty nice. Never got into card games. I knew somebody at my old job who loved stuff like this. Magic the Gathering. I never got into it though. I think it's probably because you need friends or something to play things like that. Wacom, look. I like his face. Something about his face, it makes me happy. I don't know. Love this. Jennifer Healy sketchbooklet. I like that. Yeah, I like this. Those lips, look. Aces in the Hole. Oh yeah, I remember now. This was a card game special issue. I like that one. Oh, I like this one as well. I bet that'd be quite fun to make card game, make the art for cards. Rework an iconic card character. Where's the original then? Look at this, look at this sketchbook here. I like that. How cool is that? That's what I call a sketchbook. Don't know why he's something funny about him. Hey look, there he is. He's taken someone's head and compose a group of characters. Reminds me of God of War. Paint, mist and cloud. Cool. I like the look at that, look. I like that when you get that little sort of bit of texture on the brush strokes. I like that sort of thing. I've seen that magazine on eBay. I've nearly bought that a couple times. Sculpt and shape a sci-fi panorama. And then execute a fantasy scene. Weird. It's quite scary, isn't it? Hey look, next one is the 100th issue. And look what we've got. We've got like a little special magazine with it. That's gonna be good. I'm quite excited for that one. I wonder, yeah, they didn't do that for issue 200, did they? I wish they had done an issue. Hey look, we've got Boris Vallejo and Julie Bell in there. Expose look, number 11. Adobe Creative Cloud. Art Flow, ZBrush. Is it? Yeah. The Art of cool. I never knew they made a book on that, because I've actually got that game. Again, I stopped playing video games around this 2013. I stopped playing video games, but I got this game. I've still got it on the PS3 with PlayStation Plus, but I never played it, but I really wanted to. I would love to get the art of that. I'd love to get that book. I bet it's really expensive now. Computer Graphics Master Academy. Little people up here. And then this is it, we're going into the DVD. Let's go and have a look at this one. Doing. I love that number, 99. It's quite sort of cool. I like it when you get two numbers together. Like Lewis Hamilton with 44. It's quite cool. But here we got the contacts. That's a nice image as well. Website, if you wanted it. Little resources. Concept design workshop, that'd be fun. Got an FX Pose. Oh, this one looks nice. Look at that as well. Lots of little ladies on this one, I think. And that little creature thing. I get excited by those. And then we got little workshops. What am I going to look at on this one, I wonder? I think I'm definitely looking at that one. I think I'm going to look at this one. And maybe this one, I think. Plan and execute a fantasy scene. There isn't a video on this one. We've got a step so. Oh, they haven't got a. Oh, that's cool. That's cool, that is. Oh, that's. See, I would like, if I could do that, I would leave it like that. Something cool about that. Yeah, I like it like this. It feels even more sort of gritty. Oh, look at this one as well. Compose a group of characters. Oh, this would have been a good video, I think. Brushes, final images and steps. This would have been a good video, because... Oh, look at that. Oh, I like that. Add in noise, look. It's quite cool, isn't it? Bum. Oh, I love that. See, that's brilliant to me. I love that. If that was the vision, that was the outcome. Yeah, that's brilliant. They got rid of that little guy there with his hand touching his bum. Isn't it weird how they sort of... It's the same, but it's different. Oh, that's cool. And this is my favourite. Rework an iconic card character. And this one's got a little video as well. We've got a circle pattern. Something to do with... I'm sure the article talks about that. Look at this, look. I love this one. She reminds me of Metal Gear Solid Rising. We've got a layered file. That's a lie. Steps. There we go. This is what I want. Yeah, this is amazing. I would pay for that. I would pay to have that. Look at the... It's like they've emptied their head onto the pages of their sketchbook. To me, sketchbooks are like a work of art. That's what I think. Let's have a look at the video. I hope they start with the sketches. 2-hour video, look. Have we got any audio? No. See, this is where it would be good if they had audio, because they could say, talk about their sketchbook and stuff. The whole thing, it comes, she looks beautiful there. Right there. Oh, I can't get it. Cool. Look, she's like a different person there. Right there, she looks more sweet and innocent. There, she looks a bit aggressive. Here, she looks a bit business-like. I think the best one is this one here. She looked sweet and innocent, but a little bit naughty. Got the FX. I like the look of this one. Tails. I like tails. I've always liked characters with tails. I like characters with tails and fangs. That's what I like. Look at him, look. He's thinking, hey up lad, what's going on here? Bloody hell, son. We got a sexy brunette. Got little dragon things. Oh, cool! What cool character that is! It's like a spaceship monster. An organic spaceship. Little characters. Cool. Oh, this is the one I wanted to look at. Yeah, very weird. It's like a human insect. That's a cool angle. Spaceships. Little people there, look. There's no way he's going to throw that all the way. He'll probably end up hitting these people. He'll end up hitting the people he's trying to rescue, I think. She's got a gun. She got a gun? Is that a gun? Don't know. Is that handcuffs? Oh, cool! I like that. I like all the. I like the furriness of the fur. Resources. We've got wallpapers, newsletter, CG wallpapers. What have we got here? Look. That's nice. I like the shape of that bird. Got little fingers there. Very nice shapes going on around here. Sort of. I like that. What's the other one? Battle scene. That's not really my sort of things I don't get excited about, stuff like that. Concept. Oh, I'm looking forward to this. Using ZBrush. Part 2. Dun dun dun!
So here's our basic interface. I've just loaded up a Dynamesh sphere.
I've actually got this software. No, I haven't. I got Blender. It's a monster. What's this one here? Card art toolkit. Here we have a selection of assets to help you create your own card art. Cool. Hope they got like a template. Yeah, they got little. No, they haven't. Fonts. They've got loads of fonts. Borders. Oh, I can't load them all up. Icons. 3 shield icons. Let's have a look at these. Look. Little shield icons. Blue shields. That'd be good if he was making a little video game or something. I wonder if you can. I wonder if they're royalty free. Vector icon set. What is this? Oh, cool. I want to start making little icons like that from my website. But that was quite cool. What was my favourite thing on here? I think my favourite thing was actually this one, because I like seeing that one evolve. So that was issue number 99 for the ImagineFX magazine. I hope you enjoyed that one. Really cool. Again, these things are brilliant, and I really like this bit here. I thought it was cool, because what I like is it's like the art is the main thing. It's the art is the focus, little bits of information, but it's mainly about the art. Hope you enjoyed that. Next week we're looking at issue number 100. I'm not going to look at the cover yet because I don't want to spoil it. So we'll have to wait for next week to see what the cover is. But we've got a little magazine with it, a little secret magazine. So I hope you come back for that one, and I hope you enjoyed this one. And I'll see you later for another one.